Alright, so we got our 3 packs here. We're going to go ahead and open up our Scarlet and Violet pack first. Alright. So we got code card in the back. And then for Scarlet and Violet, we'll go straight through here. So we got Cacnea, Sandile, Mareep, Silly Cobra, Supporter Trainer Arven, Cacturn, Mesogaza Trainer. Then we have Metacham. Then we have Crocodile. Then we have a Holo Revavroom. And our energy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you want to see more box rips, and subscribe to the channel for more notifications. And we'll see you in the next video.